Not just table, but you can add many graphical object into your document to make it look really appealing and interesting. Now we will go to Insert tab, and from the illustration group, we will add something called as SmartArt. A SmartArt is kind of a graphical chart or cycle which shows the text or the data in much more presentable and graphical way. Let us click on SmartArt, and you will see that there are many options from which you can create a SmartArt. You can have a SmartArt for a list, for process, for cycle, hierarchy, relationship, matrix, and pyramid, or even picture. List means when you have a list, when you have different type of list to show, like maybe types of devices or any kind of list that can be shown in a more graphical way with help of this. If you want to see process of something, let's say how to study on Viz Junior. So first enroll, select the courses, start studying, give test. So this processes can be showed with this kind of SmartArt. Then if there is a cycle like the water cycle or animal life cycle, that can be shown with this kind of SmartArt. If you want to show hierarchy like principals, teachers, then below the teachers head prefects, then student, then this kind of hierarchy can be used. Then there are so many relationship, matrix, pyramid, etc. So let us add a list into our document. Something like this. So you will see a graphical object has been added to our document where a background is given and a text area is given where you just need to type your text. So let's say I type mobiles. In the next I type computers, and in the last one I type internet. Let's say it is the list of devices that you need to study online. So these are the devices. So list is ready. Now in the same way how you had edited and customized your table, a SmartArt can also be edited. Here also we have two tabs, a design tab and a format tab. So let us go to the design tab first. Here we have different layouts. Let's say after inserting this particular object, if you want to change the layout, so you can do that also from selecting the drop down and applying different kind of lists or changing the way it appears. You can also change the color of this particular SmartArt by clicking on the change colors option from the styles group. There are so many colors from which you can select. So let us say I take this one. Then from this colors also you can have different styles based on this color. So we will click on the drop down of the style. You can have 3D, more polished, bent, and whichever way you want. So let's say I select this. You can also add objects how we had added columns and rows into our table. Same way you can add shapes here either after or before. You can also move it up or down like this. You can add bullet to this point. You can change the direction right to left. And the format tab is exactly same how it was for text and image or shape objects. Let us see it once. As I told you, it is exactly same. You will have different shape styles, different shape effects, different text effects, different arrangement options, etc. So this is how you can add a SmartArt into your document to make your list, hierarchy or any cycle look much more presentable than just writing the text out.